out. I decided to do a full day of eating today because it is winter break for me and I got nothing exciting planned. But anyways, I'm gonna go inside and make lunch. So let's go make lunch. So while my food is cooking, I like to eat little snacks because I'm pretty dead from the gym. The best cereal known to man, Special K protein, cinnamon brown sugar crunch. I do half a serving, so it's 21 grams. I'm just gonna have some of this while I'm cooking my food up. Don't throw it away yet. Okay, these are the breads we use for our nachos. Go throw that away so I can start the next portion. I'm gonna flip the camera to Lauren as I make these nachos. I always have the same thing for lunch. So, key steps here. I usually use all fat-free cheese for this, but I'm running really low, so I'm gonna mix it with regular mozzarella. This full serving of the regular mozzarella has 6 fat versus 0 fat. First step, you layer on the cheese. And then I'm just gonna finish the rest with this cheese. Look at this. This one's so much nicer.
It's so fluffy.
It's about half fat-free, half of this. That's how I'm gonna track it. Then we're going to put on the shaved steak. So we get this from Wegmans. So we're gonna put some shaved steak on there. Guys, this is what I have like every single day, so.
Every day.
2 ounces of the shaved steak. Then we're gonna put some of the peppers and onions that we have sauteed already. And then you melt it for 15 seconds.
Oh yeah.
Now that we have it out of the oven and it's all crispy and delicious, we take the shredded lettuce and we just take a handful of shredded lettuce. We're gonna do some pico from Wegmans. This stuff is so bomb. Fresh guacamole, what's better? I'm just gonna weigh that out. I do it in grams, and you can just kind of like look up whatever brand you get. It's pretty easy to track guacamole. Bam, that's lunch. That is lunch. So if you know me at all, I am a creature of habit, as you can probably tell from my nacho addiction. But anyways, after my nachos, I always make my handy dandy quick oats. This should just be the thumbnail. Me and Bae. Lauren's laughing because she knows it's true. Every time I finish my nachos, she's like, oats time! I'm cooking oats. I do a serving of oatmeal, and then I'm going to add in some of this. Oh man, this stuff is so good. It's the Nuts and More chocolate maple pretzel peanut butter. I bought this the other day, and I kid you not, it's like almost halfway gone because I fit all of my fat macros for peanut butter. So we're gonna pull out, nothing fancy to show you with this, but my oatmeal, I cook it in the microwave for a minute, and yeah. Please tell me that doesn't look so dang good. So I did the Nuts and More peanut butter. Life hack here, you put in a little bit of the Walden Farms syrup.
Oh yeah.
Lauren thought it was disgusting at
No,
first.
it's actually the best thing in my life.
I told you. Make oats. Snack time. We got these Pop potato chips, barbecue flavor. These are really freaking good. Eat this as a little snack. It's 100 cal, 15 carb, 4 fat, and 1 protein. And I'm not gonna lie, these are fire. I like these. I also really like the sea salt, but this is gonna be like my little mini snack.